Hello. Discover in this video everything you need to know about YouTube SEO. Also at the end of the video I am going to show you a secret software that will help you throughout the process. Let's start. 1. Keyword research. Start by using tools like Google Keyword Planner to conduct comprehensive keyword research. Identify relevant keywords with high search volume and low competition. Understand the search intent behind these keywords to create content that addresses users' needs effectively. Incorporate long-tail keywords and semantic variations to capture a broader audience and improve search visibility. 2. Optimize video titles. Craft captivating titles for your YouTube videos. Place the primary keyword at the beginning of the title to enhance visibility. Keep titles concise and descriptive, enticing viewers to click and watch. Avoid misleading or clickbait titles that can harm your video's credibility. Test different title formats to see which ones resonate best with your audience and generate higher click-through rates. 3. Create engaging thumbnails. Design visually appealing thumbnails that accurately represent the content of your videos. Use high-quality images, contrasting colors, and compelling text overlays to grab viewers' attention. Thumbnails play a significant role in attracting clicks and increasing video views. A/B test different thumbnail designs to identify what resonates most with your audience and leads to higher engagement rates. 4. Write detailed descriptions. Leverage the description section to provide a detailed overview of your video. Incorporate relevant keywords naturally throughout the description to improve search visibility. Include timestamps to help viewers navigate to specific sections of the video easily. Utilize this space to encourage viewers to engage with your content, such as liking, commenting, subscribing, and sharing. 5. Optimize tags. Choose relevant and specific tags that accurately describe the content of your videos. Use a mix of broad and long-tail tags to capture different search queries and increase discoverability. Regularly review and update your tags based on trending topics, audience interests, and search trends. Tags play a crucial role in helping YouTube understand the context of your videos and rank them appropriately in search results. 6. Create high-quality content. Focus on producing high-quality and informative content that adds value to your viewers. Ensure your videos are well-researched, organized, and visually appealing. Incorporate clear explanations, practical demonstrations, and actionable tips to engage and educate your audience effectively. Quality content not only attracts viewers but also encourages them to stay engaged, watch more videos, and interact with your channel. 7. Encourage user interaction. Actively engage with your audience by encouraging likes, comments, shares, and subscriptions. Respond promptly to comments and feedback to foster a sense of community and build relationships with your viewers. Encourage viewers to share their thoughts, ask questions, and provide suggestions for future content. User interaction signals to YouTube that your videos are valuable and relevant, potentially boosting their visibility and reach. 8. Utilize end screens and cards. Take advantage of YouTube's end screens and cards to promote additional content and drive viewer engagement. Use end screens to recommend related videos, playlists, or encourage viewers to subscribe to your channel. Incorporate cards within your videos to link to relevant resources, additional videos, or external websites. Strategic use of end screens and cards can prolong viewer sessions, increase watch time, and improve overall channel performance. 9. Optimize video length. Find the optimal balance between video length and content depth based on your topic's complexity and audience preferences. Monitor audience retention metrics to gauge how viewers are engaging with your content. Consider breaking longer tutorials into manageable segments or creating multi-part series to maintain viewer interest and encourage repeat visits. Tailor your video length to deliver value without overwhelming or losing viewer attention. 10. Monitor and analyze performance. Regularly monitor the performance of your videos using YouTube analytics tools. Analyze key metrics such as watch time, audience retention, click-through rate, and engagement rates. Gain insights into viewer demographics, geographic location, and playback devices to refine your content strategy. Experiment with different SEO tactics, content formats, and promotional strategies based on data-driven decisions to optimize your videos for maximum reach and impact. This software is used by successful YouTubers to get their videos to rank very quickly on YouTube. For more information, visit the link in the description.
Let's say I'm trying to rank a video for a video marketing company from Bronx. Well, we type in video marketing Bronx, and we hit research keyword. We just wait a bit, and that's it. Just take a look here on how many great keywords we got. These are some really awesome results, but in this case, I will try to rank for the first one. All we have to do now is go to the video details module. Now we paste in the keyword, and we hit start. That's it. It's really that simple, and now we will get a perfectly optimized title, description, and tags that will shortly rank on the first page. Okay, so I'm going to take these video details. I'm going to go to YouTube and upload a video using these video details and rank on Google and YouTube. Okay, so about 10 minutes passed, and let's open google.com in a private tab and type in Video Marketing Agency in Bronx. Now we hit search, and let's see what we got. Let's scroll to the bottom. And as you can see, the video uploaded 10 minutes ago by me is ranked on the first page of Google, and it's the first result. So, we managed to rank that fast all with the video details generated using Video Marketing Blaster. Now, let's check the YouTuber rankings. We go on youtube.com, we paste in Video Marketing Agency in Bronx, and here it is. As you can see, the first rank result is our video. So, out of 1,500 results, we managed to rank on the first page of YouTube, on the first position. I really hope you can see the power in using Video Marketing Blaster. In less than 2 minutes, I managed to rank on the first position both on Google and on YouTube for the keyword that I was targeting. Thanks a lot for watching this video.